My name is Wade Haskins. I am the lead pastor of Freedom Church in the Baltimore, Maryland area. So Live Design has a great reputation for helping churches like us. In fact, they actually came and did a site visit to see us, and right off, relationally, it was a great fit. Very trustworthy. They told us the truth. They didn't tell us what we wanted to hear, but gave us some opportunities to explore. So today we're doing the actual live design of taking a car dealership and turning it into a full functioning ministry center. You know, I got to bring our kids director, I got to bring our student director, I got to bring our production director, and to be able to get into a room and to actually move spaces around, make spaces bigger, dream out loud, and in real time it be designed, it just blew our mind. But where Live Design stepped in and said, you know what, there's options here that we didn't even see. And so thankfully we were able to get with them so that we could be introduced to what could be done.